everyone, welcome to Sharmilazkitchen. This is your host Sharmila.
And my name is Ahi.
Today we are going to be making Father's Day special gift and treat. Let's get started.
I am going to be making an easy Oreo cake. पहले twist करो and then remove Oreo cream. Add warm milk. Break the cookies with a fork. It has become soft. Now mix and turn into a smooth batter. Add baking soda. Mix again. So the batter is ready.
Now take a frying pan, line up with the parchment paper.
Mom, why are you using parchment paper?
Because the parchment paper prevents the cake from sticking.
Oh!
Grease with oil.
Pour the batter in the pan. 3 scoops. Cover and cook for 5 minutes.
The measurement will make 2 cakes.
The pancake is ready. Now add 2 tablespoons Nutella in the Oreo cream. Use it to top on the cake. Add the next layer. Also spread Nutella or any of your favorite topping. Decorate with chocolate crushed Oreo cookies and Skittles. My cake is ready, so let the surprise start. Papa, close your eyes.
Why?
There's a surprise. Close your eyes.
Okay. Wow! Who made it? And who's that? Like, for whom it is?
For you.
For me. And who made it?
Me.
Wow! Okay, let me taste it. See, you can see the yumminess. Wow!
Can I have a bite?
Yeah, sure.
I also made a greeting card. Let's keep some notes. Happy Father's Day. I have another surprise.
Oh yeah? What's that? This show. Oh! Wow! Such a beautiful card. What is written on it? Let's read it. Happy Father's Day. I love you, Papa. You are the best in the world. I love you. Let's give a hug.
Make some yummy treats to make your Father's Day special. Wish you all a very happy
Happy Father's
Father's
Day.
Day.
Bye.
Bye.